Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve next question, question number 23 of JEE Mains Physics paper 2016. So let us solve the next question 23, question number 23. Students, let us solve the next question. The next question says, this is the question, ABCD are inputs to a gate. These are the inputs A, B, C, D. 4 inputs are there, and X is the output. This is the only output that is here. These are the input, and this is the output. Now, as for the following time graph, the gate is, you have to name which gate this represents. Now, if you can see here, if I draw the diagram again, because I have to draw it if you want, otherwise it will be messy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll draw like that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your input D. Then this extends up to this here, and this extends up to 2 jumps 2 times, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and so on. So 2. I will make this is 1. Okay, this is 2. Then this drops down up to 2 and goes up to 2, goes down up to 2, goes up, and like that. This is your C1. B is what? 1, 2, 1, 2. For as far as this one is concerned, with respect to this is 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. So with respect to this, it is first straight, then up, then 1, 2, up to 2, it is straight, then it is down, and then straight. Okay, so it is like that. And you can see here, this is down, and this is down also, down, down. This is your D. What is A? With respect to this 2, 1, 2, so it is up to 2 here, goes up, and like that. This is your A. And the output X is that with respect to this the first one, you can see here, with respect to this line, it is like that, and the rest is so. So now we have to see what is the gate. Now you can see that when the input, so suppose that this is 0, and this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, like that. The lower value is 0, the higher value is 1. Now this is 0, so this is also 0, and if I see like that, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0. This is 1. So when the inputs are 0, the output is 0. Here it is 1. The one input is 1, the other one is 0, the other one is 0, the other one is 0. You can see here, this gives 1, So when any one of the input is 1, any one of the input is 1, the output is 1, irrespective of other values being 0. So it seems like OR gate, because any one of is a higher value, the output is higher value, all of them are 0, so is lower value. We'll see here 0, 1 here, 0 here, 0 here, 1 here. You can see here that out of these 4 inputs, 1 input is higher, so the result is higher. Similarly, if you check this one, this is 1, this is 1, this one is 0, this one is 0. So any of the input is 1. Here it is 1 and here it is 1. D and C are 1 and this is 0, but output is 1. Any one of the input is 1, then it is 1. Here it is 0, here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 0, here it is 1. Out of these 4, this B1 is a higher value, so it is 1. Any one of them is 1, then higher value is there. Here it is 1, it is 0, is 1, it is 0, so it becomes again 1. Here A, D and B inputs are 1 and C and A are 0 and the input is 1. So any one of them is 1, then is 1. Here it is 0, is 1, 1, 0. So here also it is 1. So from here it is 1, is 1, is 1, is 0, it's 1. So that means 3 inputs are 1 and 1 input is 0, but the answer is 1. So only one is required to make output 1. Here 3 ones there, then also it is we are getting 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, again it is 1. 1, 0, 0, 1, so it is 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, it is again 1. So here the output is 1 and here the output is 0. So that means what we are getting is OR gate, because for OR gate the algebra is that if for OR gate, if any one of the inputs is 1, then the output is 1, which is represented by this line. In all these cases the output is 1 when any at least one of the output inputs is 1. You could see this is 1 here, here it is 1 here, there are 2 1s there. So in this case in inputs you will find at least one input which has higher value, so therefore you are getting 1, and all are having 0 values, so you are getting 0 here. And if all the inputs are 0, then the output is 0. So the given graph represents OR gate, represents OR gate. So answer is 3. So option number 3 is correct. Okay, thank you.